Yes, so what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. In today's one, we're finally doing the most crucial upgrade to the 46, which is kind of due for some time now. I've got it quite some time back and I'm finally getting to install it onto the car. I feel like every 46 owner should do this if you don't have one already. So for those who don't know, the 46 was an automatic before, which is many moons ago. In the previous videos, as I explained, the mechanical fan was giving so much issues. It's been making these loud buzz noises. And that just shows that the viscous fan, they had these fluids inside of them, or these components, whatever, that does wear out over time, and mine gave in some time ago. So it was on the verge of exploding. Thankfully it hasn't exploded as yet, and we're about to prevent that thing from exploding. It's quite a simple job guys. So basically all you need to do is purchase you a spal fan. I've gotten the 16-inch radiator spal fan that blows about 3,200-ish, and I have gotten the quick mounting kit for it, so it's easily to mount. You can just put these pins straight into the radiator and zip tie them in if you don't have the brackets for them. It's quite a quick and simple job. The only difficult or complicated part is the wiring, because there's two ways you can go about it. Either you tap into temperature wiring, which sits usually onto the cooling pipes. Sadly we don't have that on the M57. I'm not sure if other people have it, but mine doesn't have it for some odd reason, but that's okay. So we have that issue to go about. There's also another way of doing it, which is getting your own relay kit for the radiator, but that's even more complicated because then there's so much more wiring needed and it's a lot more work. But yeah, you can also tap into the OEM auxiliary fan wiring, which is sort of like a straightforward modification, which I might just go for in this case temporarily. I am going to use fuses for it as well, so I'm not going to try and bore you guys by doing this step-by-step guides. If you do want to watch videos of it, there is plenty online and throughout YouTube, so go and research. I'll give you guys, that's more or less the tips I can give you guys on how to install this radiator. So let's get to it. This is the new spal fan that I've ordered. It's a 16-inch fan. I bought it together with this quick mount kit, and I'm first going to try and plug it in with the OEM wiring. Hopefully that fires up. So there we go boys, this is the spal fan.
Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Finally getting rid of this rubbish. This is what's causing this whole thing to give in. Okay boys, so this is the old auxiliary fan that I had in my car. I took it off. So what we're going to be doing is, I got this extra connector in case I need more wiring, and the nice thing is it's the proper gauge for the fan. I'm going to be taking off this. It's torque screws. I think it's a 15 or 20 torque screw. I'm going to be slicing these, cutting these two wiring off, and these are the two wiring that's going to connect to the fan. And the nice thing is the computer will still be able to control the fan accordingly as if it's an OEM fan, and it will adjust according to the speeds. So for now we're going to be cutting this off, but first thing first, take this box over here. So there we have it boys, completely installed.
Nice.
So what's up guys, been a couple days later, for a good reason. I know I haven't been posting as much as I want to. Life's just been getting me in a freaking chokehold, but that's okay. It's been a while since we have the car with a spal fan. I must say it's a much needed upgrade for the 46s. If you guys do have the spare cash and the time and patience for it, It's really a great upgrade, especially if you're coming from automatic to a manual, such as I did. It really helps a lot. And plus, the best thing is no more bus noises, because that's the one thing I used to dislike so much about driving this car for that specific reason. And it's finally done now. It sounds amazing as it used to. Couple things I would need to attend to next, but that we'll get in a later stage. As for now, we're gonna take the car over. Well, I need to actually go wash the car, so hopefully do the car wash. Later on, we'll get to see the boys. We do have Beamer Fest coming up, guys, so hopefully I will not only get to see the boys there, but you guys too. It will be so awesome. Yeah, so it is by 4 ways more. So I'm not sure how it's going to be, because the previous one was so awesome. Sadly, it was so dusty, and I mean, it just dirtied all the cars that day. But it was amazing. I just don't know if I'm going to be as a contender though, because there's so much things that needs to be attended to. Like, for example, look how broken my lip is, which is not even my fault, by the way. That was when I still had the 18s on, and this car was so damn low. I must say the 19s did give me a lot more clearance. But yeah, anyway, I'm sidetracking, guys. We need to go get this car washed as in yesterday. Look at how dirty it is. And Beamer Fest is coming up, so I don't know. So yeah, boys, that's that. I still need to update you guys on the W124. It's been a while, I know, but there's a reason for it. It's a lot of things I'm getting ready for this car. So hopefully this will be the last time you guys see this car like this. Yeah, lots of stuff to come there. But for now, we're gonna focus on this, because this is my daily for now. Yeah, boys, so let's go for a little POV drive, because I haven't done it in a while. And hope you guys enjoying the video so far. Hopefully later on we get to see the boys, because they do plan on going to like a little car meet. Not sure how the turnout's gonna be. I'm not really one for car meets, but we'll see. Check you guys in. Finally with the guys. Keegan got a little surprise for us. I'm not sure if I can show it in this vlog or if he's gonna show it in his vlog, but oh, this is gonna be such a sick night, man. This man and his surprises. It's here, Chupapi. It's here. I want to hear it now. Rev it. What's the retail in one of those? Woo! Alright boys, let me put the cam down and then meet up with the boys at the shell.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah man.
What you do, man?
Say what's up to the vlog.
Cool, man. But I'm told you couldn't hear me because of that.
Yo bruh, it's loud. Come on boy,
Wow.
you ready?
You ready, boy?
Yeah bo baba, let's go. You can go.
Go there, leader.
I'll follow you.
Why don't you want me to follow you?
I don't know where's the place.
Follow me.
Oh. Still vlog this. By the way, I don't know what car meet we going to. The boys just kidnapped me. But it's okay, let's go. Holy shit. I'm on Keegan's ass. I'm just playing with him. I'm sure the man's probably sweating me where he is, but all fun and games, my boy. boy. Dude, what's up with all the slow buckies on the left today? I don't know. Maybe I'm just overreacting. And mind you guys, it's freaking like 10 degrees today, which is so freaking cold. And oh shit! Makes me want to end so badly. Oh my days, my boy. Alright guys, I think for now we're gonna try and make our way there and I'll catch you guys there. Oh shit. God damn it. Holy shit. Yes, my boy. Congrats,
Yeah,
Mr. Geeks, on the exhaust. Insane. Lucky Andre special.
The bottom